Hi, my name is Dominic, and I'm with the AARP Foundation Tax Aid. I'd like to discuss a couple of very important points before we go into the process of replacing laptop memory. Number one, verify the computer is turned off and not simply in the hibernate mode. Number two, disconnect the AC power adapter to ensure that no electrical current is going into the motherboard. Number three, turn the notebook over and place it on a firm surface such as a desktop, a tabletop, or a workbench. And item number four, remove the battery, which will guarantee that no current is going into the motherboard prior to memory replacement. We're next going to show you a video from the EdgeTech Corporation, which will talk about discharging static from both yourself and the laptop, and show you how to generically install laptop memory. The laptop used in this example is a compact Presario. Since we have so many different models in AARP, we're going to give you a generic look, and then we'll get into model-specific information a little later in this presentation. Thank you. This slide shows the underside of the 6110 laptop. The visual on the left shows circle number 4 that points to the location of the memory, which is under that lid, inside of the memory compartment. The visual on the right gives you a picture of the underside of the 6110 just for more clarity. Note, by undoing the screw at the top of that memory compartment lid and lifting that lid, you will see one of two memory modules or chips that came with the 6110 laptop. Remove that module, insert the 1 gigabyte memory module or memory chip, and the second module, which is located on the motherboard, should just remain there, and you will have a total of 1.256 gigabyte of memory, more than sufficient to run Windows 7. Just a note that the next slide or the next video will give you more detailed information on how to open that memory compartment, remove the memory, and how to get to the other memory chip on the motherboard should you need to do so.
This slide shows the underside of a 6310 and the location of the memory compartment, which is circle number 5 on this slide. This brings you to one of the two chips once again, and the other is on the motherboard, just like on the 6110. The design of the 6310 laptop is almost identical to the 6110 laptop, and the process that you saw on the previous video is identical if you need to get to the memory on the motherboard. Now, just a note here that most 6310 laptops came with 1 GB of memory, so replacement or addition of memory should not be required in most cases for a 6310. This next slide shows the location and the website of the NX6110 service manual and the 6310 service manual, and below that is an example of how you can Google the service manual of any computer by model name. In this particular example, I've Googled the NC6000 service manual. Because we have so many donated computers out there and locally purchased, a variety of brands, we could never provide specific information on changing a memory module in every model that's out there. So you could Google the service manual for that model, and coupled with the generic information provided in this presentation, you should be able to change the memory or add memory to any model laptop computer. And finally, if you need assistance installing or upgrading a memory module into any laptop, please call the numbers on the screen for assistance, or send an email to taxaidtech@aarp.org, and someone will get back to you and help you through the process. Thank you.